freezing cold. We finally made it to LA. That flight gets longer and longer every time I take it. I swear, it's a 5-hour flight and it feels like a 10-hour flight.
Who's he talking to?
This thing right here.
Is that little thing? Does it respond? What is that?
How was the flight?
Oh, the flight was fantastic.
Very long.
Yeah, it wasn't bad. I slept for a little bit.
I watched Mission Impossible for the second time. Oh yeah, how was Venom movie review? Venom, he watched Venom.
It was almost like watching a cartoon movie because it was only like an hour and like 40 minutes.
Really?
It was really short. The ending was very rushed. I didn't think it was good. I would be like, I wouldn't pay to go see it in the theaters.
Heard it here first.
The Mission Impossible is on there?
Yeah, the new one.
I should have watched it.
That was amazing. That's the same thing I've seen so good. If you guys haven't seen Mission Impossible Fallout, highly recommend it. Fantastic. It's 2 hours and 47 minutes long. Fire. Let's go. Saying, Zane, did you get a Hellcat? No. Did you get a Corvette? No. Did you get a TC? Scion, we're doing a budget trip here. Slow, automatic, but we're in LA, so who really cares? But we might have a surprise coming on later in the week that we're getting to. Okay, so if you don't know what we're doing here, Mitch is actually here for a college visit to attend the University of San Diego, and pretty much asked me to show around the whole city and everything LA and San Diego. So that's why I'm here with Mitch. I'm here for the first time on vacation because I've never ever came here and not done anything. But this time we're going to. There is a race event on Sunday. We are going to Willow Springs for a race event, so super stoked about that. Other than that, we just got done eating. It is literally pouring outside. This is trip number 16 or 17 I've been to LA. I've experienced rain twice. This is now 3. Either way, it's pouring, it's 60 degrees. He's giving me weird looks, and we're actually gonna head to Marina Del Rey.
Who was that jerk?
I don't know, I was just talking about it. Yeah, so we're actually gonna head to the beach, even though it's pouring, and we're gonna make the most of this because we're in Cali, baby. We're positive people. We're not heavy downers. We don't like negativity because this channel's got no room for negativity. So we are in Venice. It's still raining. Weather's not the greatest, but what are you gonna do? It's really weird though, because typically Venice is slammed, and yeah, right now it's definitely not slammed. Skate park's still got some people in it though. Either way, we're gonna make the most of this. Okay, skate park. EMPTY, empty. Beach, empty. Well, it's still raining, but we're making the most of it. Currently on Santa Monica here, and we're just going to kind of spend the rest of the day in Santa Monica. Hopefully the rain stops and clears up for a little bit, but we can't control Mother Nature. So either way, enjoying ourselves here. Getting a little bit hungry. We'll see where we end up to eat. Only time will tell. Even when LA is raining and cold. You just still get absolutely beautiful areas. Like, this is why I love LA. Rain, semi-cold, but yet it's so beautiful. By the way, there's really no point to today's vlog. It's kind of just a travel vlog. What do you think?
It's really nice here. Like, I was tired before, you know, kind of just seeing some of the same things, but seeing all these plants in the park woke me up.
Right there is the famous Hotel California.
Welcome to the Hotel California.
Welcome to the Hotel California.
I like it.
And right here is the Santa Monica Pier, the ocean. Downtown Santa Monica, a wild niche. A big blue bus. By the way, this is Tongva Park for anybody that is wondering. Open 24/7 year round. You should definitely come and visit because this is one of my favorite places to visit in Santa Monica. Always get wild. All right, 3rd Street Promenade. About to go get some chicken and waffles at a place that I've never heard of, he's never heard of. That's what we've decided. I'm really excited. I've only had chicken and waffles once.
Oh, it's so good.
And it was so good. So
and waffles.
we'll see what time number 2 is gonna be like here on the promenade. All right, Brooksy, chicken tenders, chicken and waffles, fried chicken. Let's go. All right, Brooksy, looking good. We even got the Brooksy maple syrup right here on the promenade. So good this chicken waffles. Okay, final consensus. Absolute fantastic. Your thoughts?
Delicious.
Seriously, there's not much more you can say. If you guys are ever in LA, go to Brooksy. Brooksy. First time I've been here, and it is absolutely amazing. So we are currently in Tilly's, and I gotta say, this place has so much stuff. Like, look at these. Tell me I won't buy these. These are so sick. Even Mitch is interested.
And it takes a lot to get me interested in clothes.
What does that tell you? A lot of Japanese stuff around here. All right, so currently about 3, absolutely exhausted. I never went to bed last night. Just had to pack late. Had a bunch of work stuff to get done. So I've been up now for like 20 some plus hours, and it's already 6 o'clock back home, but it's only 3 here, and I feel dead. But I want to keep on pushing because this is technically Mitch's first time here. He's been here before, but he was a little kid and doesn't remember. So it's technically his first time here, so we're going to continue being a great tour guide. Just enjoying the day. The weather's still kind of shit. It's like 55 and not really raining anymore, but it's drizzling. So raining, I guess. Anyhow, we're still in Santa Monica, and we're pretty much going to be here, I think, the rest of the night. Just walking around downtown. And we're going to head back to the Airbnb and we'll get some sleep. So, oh, look at the AMG GTR. That is beautiful. That was a chick. That was 3 girls driving that AMG GTR. That was hot. So we are headed back to the car. We're stopping to get some coffee. Still a little bit cold. We got the light. Still a little bit cold, wet, but we're doing. We're gonna get some coffee at the coffee bean and then walk back to the car and probably end up going to Beverly Hills. Oh, lost the hood. Oh, look at the cute little doggy. After you, can't say. Okay, so not really sure where this video went today. I'll have to go back and look at what I recorded. Kind of all over the place. Did not have a plan for today's video. obviously kind of just a travel day and enjoying LA the best we could with what we were given. Either way, we're heading back to the car right now and probably gonna go to Beverly Hills for a little bit, head back to the Airbnb for the first time, check in, and then go to sleep. So we're both exhausted. We've been up for a very long time right now. Tomorrow we'll have a story, and tomorrow we'll have a room tour, and tomorrow is Thursday, so we're going to Malibu tomorrow, going to the Mulholland Snake, which should be interesting to see because Mulholland Snake got burned down from all the California wildfires, so definitely be sure to tune in to see that. We're also coming back to Santa Monica, I believe tomorrow night if the weather's nice, so got more of that as well. Either way, we will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, and remember, you create your own story.